Well, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to Bass Brawlers TV. You clicked on this video because you saw something very cool. Yes, sir. We got ourselves a kayak, boys and girls. I already made some things for it. There's a fish radar so we can find all the fish. I've got my logos on here, Bass Brawlers TV. I've got just some other stickers that I've put on all around the place. There's one in the back. We ordered rod holders to put on the side. I think there's going to be 2 on each side, if I'm not mistaken. And, yeah, so let me show you what it looks like from when I'm inside. Here we are when we're inside. I got my fish radar right there. Got some of my stuff. That's where you guys will be usually at, or on my chest camera. I have 2 cameras now. Then we still tow it on the go-kart. No, I'm towing it on the go-kart. There's the wheels to tow it. And, yeah, so this thing's awesome. I'm very grateful to have this kayak. And I'm very happy to. It's a thing that I've been wanting for a pretty good amount of time. And I've got some stuff on here that we're going to fish with this today, for sure, the kayak. So I've just got some stuff on here that I'm going to put. I can feed the fish, actually. I might be able to actually feed the fish by hand now, go like that in the water. I don't know. The bluegill might come up. I don't know. But we're just going to do all sorts of stuff. Paddles in there. There's my life jacket. I'm always going to wear a life jacket. Figure out how the pond is very shallow, but still, it's 6 feet deep, and I don't want to drown. You know, but yeah, and I got some hot hands in here to keep me warm, because today's supposed to be 68, but cloudy, so it's probably going to be, there's supposed to be not a lot of wind, so it's probably going to feel like really 67-ish, but yeah, I got stickers all over the place showing Bass Brawlers. What we're actually going to do too, you guys, is you're going to be able to buy these. You heard me right. You can buy these on, I'm going to open up a store on there. We're going to sell hats, t-shirts, rods. Rods will come in later, same with all the t-shirts. But first, we're going to do some stickers, and we're going to do some jerkies, the Brawlers, turkey or something. But we're going to sell these for about $3 a piece. Same with the stickers. And yeah, so we're going to sell these, and we're just going to sell some other really cool stuff. I mean, these are pretty darn big. That's the size of my hand, so you can put it on anything. I mean, you can put it on your kayak. You can put it on your go-kart. Anyways, I got mine on the go-kart right there. But yeah, you can put it anywhere. Yeah, in my opinion, this one's my favorite. I really like that one still, but this one's just, that's my logo, and I really like it. So, yeah, these will be very cheap, and yeah, you guys, but I will see you on the water. And guys, we are down here. We are down at the pond. Oh, I got them. And guys, we are out on the kayak. My phone's strapped to this safety thing, so it does not fall off. We do not need hot hands. Got my backpack, got a rod. Just gonna put rods kind of. I figured out something. For the anchor, I need my anchor. And got some live worms, you guys, we're going to be using. I got my anchor right there.
Oh, you left your actual magnet at the house.
No, it's with me.
No, it's not.
It
was in that
Oh, yeah, I did.
burgundy tackle box.
Okay, keep this rod. You get to keep both of these. Swivel hooks on both.
Can I get one worm? Can you put a worm in the cup? Actually, No, I'm just gonna use this one.
Okay. You're gonna still have to take off that. There you go, there's some worms. You've got... What? You tie something? You got it, girl. Right here.
I can't.
Just tie that on. Clip it up. Okay, I was just at it. And tie one on. And then there are clippers in my backpack. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here's the clippers, B.
I'm just gonna take that.
There you go. Okay, love you. Alright, you guys. We're about to... Perfect. I forgot I got these holes back here, which actually just put those. All right. See you later, B. Can you push me off? Thank you.
You might need help.
I will.
No, you're gonna.
Okay, push. Keep pushing. Be careful with the side. All right. I'm in the water. All right, B. Thank you. All right, kind of.
Yeah, but you're not gonna be able to push off right there. Stop. You're gonna tip. Get out of
Push
it.
my top. Push my top. This side. Try pushing it. Yeah, since you got your boots. Slide me on over. And kind of pull me out. Oh, I'm floating. Yeah, keep pulling. Alright, thank you.
There you go. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey guys, we're on a kayak. Yeah. Nice. Easy and easy, guys. We're gonna make it out to the section I want. Ducks are fine because I know they don't really like. Now listen, I've got a strap on there that keeps my camera, so if it does fall off that thing, which I've never had anything fall off there. We're cruising. And I've got a fish radar on here, you guys. It's right here. This is sucker floats. Show you. Oh my gosh! Bishop, the cast net. Yeah, bring it to the side of the bank. I'll come. Got my cast net, you guys. Need to catch bait. Alright. Just hand it to me. Thank you. Alright.
Oh, here you go.
I don't want it. You could. Don't you dare. You just put a wacky worm in the kayak when I don't even want one. Something just blew up right there. The geese do not like the kayak. Let's see, how deep is it? bottom. Ducks are eating. First we need to catch some bait, so we do need to... Gonna come down here. I'm probably gonna use the cast net out in the middle to get some of those deeper shad, because I want those shad. That's where those shad are at. They're out on the deep end. Coming up to the ducks, which they don't like to kayak up. We're gonna get rod holders for here. Yeah, here they start flying away. They're running. Alright, oh, dang it. Sorry, guys. It is. Alright, so we got worms. I'm gonna drop my anchor. Yep. We'll get the fish pellets on out. That big thing. Thanks. Oh! There's fishies right there! Alright guys, got my bluegill, right? Yeah, they're eating right here, B. Got some. Oh, this is something. There's also a night crawler right there. See them? I think my anchor's not helping a ton. I got worm stuff on me. Yeah, I'm missing all my things. Did not think of that. Of course, with my luck now, it's gonna be impossible for me to. I'm getting close to the kite. I need to turn that way. Oh.
Ice.
Got a fish.
That's ridiculous.
Yo, what is it? A bluegill.
Mine was sitting there the
First
whole time.
fish in the boat, you guys. Woohoo!
Mine was sitting there the whole time.
Alright, let's see
You
how.
know, same as you cast it. You catch one? That's ridiculous. I don't have a word. That's
Bruh. And that, some bait right there. We'll put him right here. There's some water for him. Maybe you need about 2 of these, Bishop. And I'm gonna go to the shad. Getting some bites again. Missed it. I need to kind of get over towards there. Oh, it's that bluegill. I was like, what the flip is flopping? Oh, I missed another fish.
You gave me bad worms.
Oh, I felt him. He was heavy.
I think my worms are nice. Because they're not even going to.
Right there. They're right there, too.
Give me one of your worms.
Okay, I come to the shore. Got him. Gosh. Dang, guys, I'm catching some slobs on here. Some slobs of bluegill. Alright, that's all we really need for bluegill.
There's no way. There's no way.
Stay right there. Yeah. This weight's not helping whatsoever, so I'm just gonna toss some. I'm gonna get some stuff when it comes to shore. Can you kind of walk out, and grab me? I'm trying to come towards you. Okay, you got it. Okay, can you take the weight?
I'm not taking more than just one thing.
I know. I'm just dropping some of the stuff off. I don't want
Well,
all.
I'm leaving it here. I'm not gonna
Okay, that's fine.
go back and forth. You're gonna kill those things.
There's water. Fish just pull up.
There's no water there, Easton.
Well, I might use them as cut bait. So that's probably why. I might only need
Oh,
one.
you could use
Here, I'll let him.
this back here. Back here. It's like a perfect
There, I'll let him
table.
go.
You could cut
Here.
them right
Okay,
here.
let go. Let go. Alright, let's
Can I
see.
send you off?
Hold on, I want to try to catch it. At least a couple more. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't actually do that, B.
If you catch anything, can you give it to me? Because I want it for life.
Do you want this rod?
No.
You
Your
don't?
rod isn't any different from my rod.
It's a different rig.
What do you have on it? No,
Kind of
mine is-
fancier
Mine
stuff.
is the same thing.
It has 2 weights.
Mine just has a different bobber. That's it.
We're playing with it right now, you guys. We go out to the middle. We might catch a catfish in the cast net. So, dang it! I just missed something. Just took that fully under. All right. If you want it, you can have this.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. There's some fish eating the fish pellets right behind me. See if we can catch a fish right behind me. Cast it right where he was eating. There's another one at it. I'm gonna see if I can catch some of those shiners up in the middle of the pond. I bet you that's where they're all at. Oh. Yeah, the fish radar is now working, B.
You don't even get a battery.
I'm joking. It's not working, guys. I have to buy a battery. Oh! Big one. Another bluegill, you guys. Really nice and fat. Throw out some of those fish pellets. Gosh, he's such a fighter.
I had one bite. And it wasn't even...
Golly, he's big. Oops. Okie dokie, bud.
Let's swap rods.
Here. I'm gonna throw it.
No, don't.
Okay.
Over here.
Nice bluegill, y'all. There goes. Dang. I had a fish right there. Did you see that? No actual way. Oh. Stop it. No way. There's a fish biting right here, you guys.
Is this why they don't like me? Because I'm so...
I just heard something blow up behind me. Alright. Oh, there are tons of fish right here eating the fish pellets, B. And I just got really wet. We got wet. Just put it on the side. Come to the shore. No, grab me quickly! Good job. Alright. There you go.
Wait.
You can have the rest. No. Crazy. Alright. There you go. Alright, we're gonna head back to the middle. Try to catch some shiners. Here, you can try these on out.
You have 10 minutes.
Me?
Yeah.
We have until 3. Are you losing it? We got here down at 1:30.
I know.
Girl, no. Don't rush me.
It's literally.
Don't rush me.
Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock.
It's 1:47. You just checked it.
1:57.
It shows 1:47, girl. What?
Because you threw the rock.
Mine?
Yeah, you threw this stupid rock. Now it's all tangled.
Untangle it.
Good.
Leave slack line. All right, while we're moving.
Leaving this stuff right here.
Okay. I'm getting so cool. Cast net time. Let that sink on down. Let's see what we're gonna get. No bueno. God, it's really not the place to throw this cast net. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Nope. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna use this one bluegill right here. B. I'm coming back to shore. Huh? Cause this cast net, I can't throw it. I don't know how other people throw it. We just got some bluegill in here. I'm just gonna use that as cut bait. We should try the small pond. Pull me in. Oh, God, hold on, take me kind of along the bank.
I can't do it. It's going to get way too deep.
Pick that all up when I come to shore.
That fish is dead, bro.
Yes,
those
Bishop.
other fish.
I released the other one. Dang, he's so floppy. Can you grab me that towel? Oh, I forgot I put the towel underneath. Small pond's probably way easier.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold. I'm warm as a bug. But I'm...
Your hands are cold.
Huh?
Your hands are cold.
Are you cold?
No, I'm hot.
Oh.
I'm like burning up.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
What time is it?
B, calm down.
But what time is it?
1:59. Phenomenal. Alright, we got our fish here. You know what? It's your lucky day. I'm gonna let this bluegill go. I saw him. He swam off. Yeah, that's the bottom right now. Bishop! Oh, you're back there. Oh, great. That's just great. Let's just go catch some more bluegill. That's about all we got to do. I got my mystery tackle box, but let's just go back. Sure you don't want to go to the small pond? Okay. Okie dokie, y'all. It's pretty wet. B, I want to head to the small pond because I want to head to the big. Bishop, you can go. You can do it in the small pond. You can.
I want to do it in the small pond.
You want to do it in here?
Yeah.
What if we do two things? You do 10 minutes in here and 10 minutes in there.
That's only 20 minutes. And you're going to have 40 minutes.
Oh,
You said we both
no wonder I'm not moving anywhere.
Mom just said to stay
Huh?
on so she can see us.
She did?
Yeah.
Alright, give me about 10 more minutes, okay? Then you can have the rest of the time. Girl, don't get pouty with me. I just want to enjoy my thing. Oh, you have that rod. My bluegill rod.
Yeah, they're both.
How?
You threw this rod, and this rod has something on it.
What up?
What's going on?
Not much. What are you guys doing?
Not much. Gotta go to Jake's.
You are?
We are? Did you catch anything?
Couple bluegills so far.
Huh?
Couple bluegills so far on here.
Oh, and he's got his YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm. And I got this. I got a fish radar.
Yo.
Got my phone camera right there.
But what if you drop your phone in the...
Well, it's got a safety strap, that red thing that's attached to it.
Oh.
So
It films you perfectly, too. I can see it.
it's a bit tilted. I got
Are you
this.
recording right now?
Say what up?
What up, y'all?
Go subscribe to Bass Brawlers TV. And fishing with Asher.
Yeah, Fishing Production. Asher Fishing Production.
Today's a nice
Yeah.
67 degrees.
Wait, what's it called? Asher Fishing Productions.
Did you not know?
No, he never told me.
Wow, Asher.
Asher Fishing Productions. Productions. Are you listening to music? No. What the heck? Is that you? No. I don't think it'll pop up.
It should. You might try out the small pond.
That's what I would do, to be honest.
But I want to throw the
Did you
cast.
go to the middle?
Yeah.
Yo, what the heck? Any bites? Yeah!
I didn't even try
Wait, show Jake.
but
Is that
I want to try. I was gonna try throwing my cast net, but it's a bit hard to.
Wait, Easton, do you have him added? Do you have him? You follow him?
Mm-hmm.
Can you send me a video?
Yeah, I'll send you his video link.
Can you do it right now or not?
I'll do it after I'm done recording. I'm about done. Bishop's gonna get on soon and try it. But you guys like it?
Yeah. If you rock too much, the rod's not.
This thing's very. You could stand up on
Where'd you
it.
get that rod?
Which one?
The one right. Yeah.
My uncle gave me it for Christmas, and it's a $200 reel right there. It's the best reels you could ever get.
Gosh.
And he had it just sitting in his garage. I'm like, I can't take it, but he gave it to me. I didn't put anything. I'm going to put a catfish rig on it. Because I know those catfish are... So I tested to see how deep it was. And the pond is not 6 feet deep.
It's not that deep.
It went up to here. Like, I went to the very middle. I tried it out. It went up to right here. I went like that, and it went up to here.
It's not that deep. People say it's like
That's
12
like-
feet in the middle.
Yeah,
It's
that's
not
like about 6.
Did you hit the tree stump?
Hmm?
Did you hit the tree stump?
The tree stump's right there.
People say there's a golf cart in here.
That's so cap.
I doubt it.
Yeah. People say...
People say there's random stuff in here.
Yeah, someone said they tested a golf cart in here when they had no water. And it died in the middle, so they never got it. And then
This pond was not
They wouldn't have
man-made,
done
so
that.
it's because I heard that there used to be a creek going through here, and they just dammed it up
They did.
right here.
Yeah.
Used to be a big old water flow.
That must have taken so long
What, to
to
dam
get
it up?
this big. Yeah.
I mean, I went back. I know the guy who used to own this area, and Mr. Freddie, he's friends with him. The wind's pushing me. And he said, so it was a creek, but it was always this big.
Was the creek always this big?
Yeah, so it was always this size of the pond, but there was a creek, and there was a dock, but it wasn't like a huge creek. Like, it was maybe about as wide as my kayak, and that was the,
Exactly.
he didn't have the pipe.
It's probably Anderson's cousin.
Who, fishing?
I think, yeah.
All right, B, your turn. See ya. Huh?
Come to Jake's house if you can play.
Okay. Come on, B.
I got this rod fixed.
Oh, you did?
I just can't get that other rod in.
hold it.
I got my phone. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one, you guys. Subscribe. Peace. Oh, you guys, Bishop just caught a bluegill. Might be able to catch one more. Oh, did he slip that worm? He slipped that worm. Just release him right on the side. Or there. Here, let me see. Hold on, come to the side so I can try to... Let me put on a new worm for you. Here, let me see the worm container. Come to the side, kind of. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's that wet. Let's see, get them all pumped up. Let's see if we can try to catch one more. Are they eating the fish pellets? Oh, that's nice.
Oh shit, I'm not gonna be able to get it.
B. They're already biting. Don't go over them. Don't go over them.
I'm not going over there.
Oh, there's one.
You see it?
Quickly, quickly! Well, it's taking it slowly. Just watch it. Real! Something's got it, Ree. Oh, wait. Give it a second. Let him kind of eat it and nibble it. Now. Real! Oh, I see it! Oh, yeah, B! We both got 2 fish. All right, you unhook it and release it. I'll get your picture. All right, perfect. All right, B. Release him and thank you guys for watching. I know I already said it, but I couldn't help but catch one more. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Peace.